Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 4, I think, of this artistic media. So you just drawn out a line, and you want to make it larger. You didn't scale it to object when you were doing it. So let's just take this and let's make it quite a bit larger. See how it made the lines thinner? Let's back up here. If you will check this right here, scale stroke with object, and then get your pick tool and expand this out, it's still the same thickness. Everything's relative to the portion. Now, and just another little insight to this program with this Docker, to find one you've used before, you'd have to go through all these, and there they are right there. But if you notice, this is an artistic media stroke. So you can go right here, and it's a brush, I'm sorry, and just delete the sprayer. So now these are all the ones I created throughout the time. So when you grab a line and you want to use one of them, it's right there. I wish there was a way to figure out how to name these. And if I figure it out, I'll let you know. And maybe if somebody watching knows. And if you notice, I made my line a little shorter, so my object is a little thicker than it would be if we did it here. Well, they're still thick, and maybe because that might have something to do with this right here. Let's back up. Let's back up quite a bit. Let's change this right here to 0.5, and there we go. That's what it is. I just had the line adjustment too thick. But that's the artistic media Docker brush strokes and how to create your own strokes. And if you haven't watched the other videos, you might want to watch them, how to create stuff like that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.